Okay, I've converted the brush to a water-fed brush. I'll just show you how it works on the glass. Here's a demonstration of us using the scrubber, the water-fed, and after this we'll show you exactly how to do it. Convert any brush, scrubber or anything you like to a water-fed. So first you get a pole hose, 6mm inside diameter, and also a 4mm inside diameter irrigation tubing. You can get at any hardware store. And you get something and just ream the hole out a bit so you can fit the smaller tubing in. Like that, you press it in like that till it's flush. So now what you do is drill a 5/16 inch hole in like that. You thread it through, push it through like this, and well, I suppose that's about it.